Hi guys, welcome back to Stephie Creates. Today we are going to do some resin frames. I've picked out these two, a small version and a large version. These frames I will be using in my journal. I have not used these two frames yet before. They are new, so I haven't used them. But I thought they would be really cute to use in journaling. So let me pick out some ink here. I want them to be metallic. Gold, green gold. Let's do red gold because it's more like a rose gold. I'll do that for both of them. And then I do want to make more than just the two. So yeah, I'll probably end up using more. Let's go ahead and use one of these. Because I do like how it has a little pour spout. I mean, this has a pour spout, but let's just use this because then we can reuse it. Okay, I got my UV resin here. Not sure how much I'm going to need. I am making two, so let's put quite a bit in here. Let's start with that. Shake up my red gold here. I don't know, I just love watching it go in there. I'm actually thinking I'm going to zoom in a little bit on the frames here so you can see them a little better. Okay. So I got my ink in there. Get a little closer here. And then I'm going to just stir that up. And I might have to add, you know what, I'm not going to. I was going to say I might have to add another color, but it is UV resin, so if I add another color, it won't be as see-through to cure. But I do think I want to add a little bit more of the dye. I love watching it mix in. I'm hoping that you guys can see this. I zoomed in quite a bit. Yeah, you guys can see. That is the color I wanted. Oh my god, that's perfect. Look at that. It's gorgeous. Alright, we're going to start with the little one first. Like I said, I have not done these molds yet. So I'm really hoping that details come through. I'm just gonna kind of help the resin go. This is one where you would need to do it a little bit at a time because it does have all those little nooks and crannies. I'm just hoping this actually works. Because I really love these frames, and I think they'd be really a nice touch to a journal page. Because the stickers I always use, the frames, I don't know, they just never quite do it justice. I will show you some frames in a minute here. After I finish filling these, I'm hoping we have enough to fill the big one. Because I'm trying to mix it again with the same amount of dye. Might be a little difficult. Oops. Just gonna try to help push it along here. Actually might have just enough. I just had a little bit left in here. Let's see. But I definitely don't want to overflow it. But I also don't want to waste resin. Let's put a little bit more in the baby one here. I probably should not have put that drop in the baby. I think the baby was probably set. Okay. I'm gonna grab this little guy. Try to nope. I think I need to get like you're actually in it. Try one more. I don't want to take too much out of it. I think I just did. So I just stuck a little bit back in there. All right. I think that's good. I'm just gonna try to right. Now let's try to cure it. See how it looks. I like getting my light right on it. So I'm gonna let that cure for a bit and then we will be back. Alright, so I had already cured these. I'm not cured these. I already demolded these. Here's how they turn out. They're really pretty. I cannot wait to use them in my journaling. They do need to cure a little bit longer, so I'm going to put them back under. But this is how they looked. Beautiful. I love the details of both of them. So, and this is how thick they are. I cannot wait to use these in a journal. All right, thank you all for watching today's video and subscribing. I really appreciate it, and I look forward to seeing you all on my next one. All right, have a good one. Bye, guys.